Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today I'm going to go over what my position is on the out of work list. I lost my job on October 17th, and I went and signed the books at 2:21 p.m. and my position was 644. Probably can't see that, but right here, 644. That might be backwards. I'm not sure. Probably not, but 644, 1017. So that was 2 months and 4 days ago. So my position was 644. If you guys can see right here, now my position is 501. So there have been 143 jobs that have been fulfilled since I've lost my job. But there, you also see this number over here, which says available position. Sorry, I'm running on a little sleep today. So available position is 421. So that means I'm just going to try to explain this without butchering it, but right now my position is 501, so there's 501 people on the books in front of me. But this number right here on the left means that in the last 30 days, 80 people have taken a job. So there's a 30-day window or a gap. So basically, if you take a call, if I was to take a call tomorrow, say I'm going to go take a job. I have 30 days. If I don't like that job, I can go ahead and leave and come back onto the books without losing my position. So right now I'm 501. If I went and took a job, I would still be 501 for 30 days or 29 days or whatever. And so if I didn't like that job, I could leave and I could come back and still be 500 without going to the very end of the list, which is probably like, I don't know, 722 or something like that. So I think I was on page 11, but so yeah, you have a 30-day window to be able to come back onto the books if you don't like a job. So right now I'm 501, and that means there's 80 people in a 30-day window. So if those people, all 80 of those people, like their jobs, they don't come back onto the books, and then I'll be down to 421 within 30 days. So that's kind of how that works. Hopefully I didn't butcher that, but I started at 644, as you guys can see right here. Now I'm down to 501, and then after 30 days, then I'll be down to 421 at the least. But there's going to be more jobs fulfilled in the meantime, but that's what it looks like. 2 months on the books for Portland, Oregon IBEW 48. So if you guys are kind of wondering how that works, hopefully that gives you guys an example. Moving along on the books, what my position is, where I'm at, and all that stuff. So hopefully you found this informational. I literally just learned this like 2 days ago. My old coworker told me about the 30-day window gap, which I've never heard before, which explains why these two numbers exist and why I never understood what they were. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Drop any comments down below if you want to. If you have any video ideas, and make sure to check out my Instagram for a hilarious Jonar Tools video. You may or may not find that disturbing. But anyways, it was really funny and fun to make. So anyways, see you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Peace.